Assalamu alaikum students. This is the basically continuation of our previous lecture, which is based on the gamma and exponential distribution. And here we discuss some more example related to gamma and exponential distribution. So our first example is also based on gamma distribution. So in this example, the length of the time months between the customer complaints. So it's basically based on the waiting time problem of a certain product in gamma distribution with two parameter alpha and beta changes with where we made to tightening the quality control. So some requirement which we made some changes to enhance the quality of the product. So for the following changes, 20 months passed before the first complaint. So after tightening the quality control, 20 months, it means time have been passed when the first complaint occurs. So it does appear the quality control tightening was effective. So basically we change that we apply some changes. There is some improvement in the quality control, and how much time will be passed after first complaint. So 20 and onward we have to calculate the probability. So x is the time for the first complaint. So so this is the time first complaint, and we calculate the upper probability 20 or more probability. So we will apply a gamma probability density function of gamma distribution, and which can be obtained by subtracting from 1, because we calculate the probability from uppercase. So same as that we have calculated the normal distribution. So we putting the value of this function, and again we transform it because 20 is not available in the table in the table of the gamma distribution function, because not available the value of x, it's up to 15. So we will use the transformation that we will apply in our previous formula, y is equal to x over beta. So the putting the value of x over beta, we have 4, x is equal to 20, the value is 5. So and the function can be converted into form of y. So 1 minus, so this can be calculated by the table value. So f5 2. So this is the value of x and this is the parametric value alpha. We're putting these values, and 5 and 2, it means we can obtain the number x is equal to 5 and the parametric value is 0.966. So we will use this probability value 0.9660. So this is the value which we have obtained. That is the value and that is the probability. As a result, could be conclude the condition of gamma distribution with these parameters and time to obtain the 20 months. This is reasonably concluded that the quality work was be effective. So this is the probability which we have to obtain. It means that the lower probabilistic value can be obtained, that the number of the complaint probability is very low, so that we have effective quality control should be enhanced. So another example, which is the the probability density function look like a exponential distribution with parameter 4. So beta, the value of beta is equal to 4, and it is also obtained a positively skewed distribution. So we'll read the statement. The time y is in a year before a major repair is required for a certain washing machine. So again, this can be handled by a warranty type of problem. So note the y is exponential random variable. So clear cut shows that we have to obtain or calculate the probability by exponential distribution. The machine considered to be bargain if likely to require the major repair before the 6 months. So this is a warranty of 6 months. And what is the probability y is greater than 7? What is the probability major repair of the required in the first year? So this is the probability, how much complaint you have, or how much probability claim the company should claim before the 6 month. So we have to calculate it. So upper probability can be obtained. Consider the cumulative function of exponential f of x. You have to utilize it. You can calculate this value that can be obtained by putting the value over here 1 minus f6. So you can use it by calculating the probability, that is e to power minus 3, that is 1 over 6. Okay, you can calculate the probability. Thus the probability of washing machine will be repaired after year is this, and of course it will be required before the 6 month with the probability 0.777. Thus you can calculate, this is the phenomena, you have to calculate the probability of that value. So this is the question about exponential related problem. So another distribution is beta distribution, an extension to the uniform. This is basically uh, beta distribution is an extension of uniform distribution. So the beta function can be defined in beta, which two parameters, that is 0 to 1, its range, x to power alpha minus 1 into 1 minus x to power beta minus 1 dx, and which can be obtained in the form of gamma function. This can be converted into a gamma of alpha, gamma of beta into gamma of alpha beta. For alpha and beta, both parameters should be positive, and the probability so the beta function can be originated from gamma function. So the continuous probability, continuous random variable x has a gamma distribution parameter. Alpha is equal to 0, beta is equal to 0. So this is a parametric value, and its range from 0 to 1. And note that the uniform distribution is with the parameter this. If the uniform distribution have parameters 0 and 1, then it convert to a beta distribution with the value of alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to 1. So if we putting the value of 1 and 1 in this function can be converted into a uniform distribution according to this formula. So the mean and variance of beta function alpha mu is equal to alpha into alpha plus beta and sigma square to alpha beta over alpha. This is the formula. And if we have a uniform distribution with mean 1 over 2 and variance equal to 1 over sigma square, if to put the value of alpha is equal to 1 and beta is equal to 1 for the uniform distribution with zero mean and unit variance. So this is, so the mean of the beta distribution convert to the uniform distribution with two parameters giving the value of 1 and 1. So another distribution which is known as log normal distribution. This distribution is originated from normal distribution if we are applying log on its variable. Uh, in normal distribution we using a variable x variable, but here we use a natural log of x variable. So the log normal distribution used widely used application distribution in many cases of natural log transformation result in normal distribution. Here with natural log transformation on the variable. The continuous random variable x has a log normal distribution if the random variable, where if we're taking natural log of x variable, then the normal distribution convert into a log normal distribution with mean mu and standard deviation sigma. We know that the normal distribution have two parameter mu and sigma. Here the log normal also have two parameter mu and sigma. The resulting density function of 1 over 2 pi sigma into x e to power 1 over 2 sigma square. Here is the change, that is x can be turned into a natural log of x into sigma square, and it is also a positive. Here the difference between log normal and normal, it's a positively skewed distribution. So here we putting the value of value 0 and 1 in this probability distribution, the shape of the log normal distribution is this. If if we taking the value of mu is equal to 1, then the distributions become flatter. This is the illustration of a log normal distribution. The mean and variance of the log normal distribution turns into mu is equal to e power mu plus sigma square over 2, and the variance is sigma square is equal to e to power 2 mu plus sigma square e to power sigma square minus 1. This is the properties of basically log normal distribution. Here is some numerical example of log normal distribution. So we'll apply same probabilistic function as a normal distribution. So, okay, here is the example which we have discussed regarding a log normal distribution. So, example is concentration of the pollution produced by a chemical plant historically are known to be exhibited behavior that resembling a log normal distribution. So this behavior basically follows log normal distributions. This is important when our consider issues regarding the compliance with government regulations. Suppose it is assumed that the concentration of a certain plant in a parts per million. So the log normal distribution with parameter is mu 3.2 and its variance is 1. What is the what is the probability that a concentration exceeded 8 parts per million? So we will calculate the upper point of the probability. You calculate the probability of x is greater than 8. So 1 minus x is less than, we just find that value from table, which you have to obtain the probability. So this can be obtained from that value. Uh, so this can be obtained from that value. So this is the table you have to obtain the formula. So this is the z score, and z score we same they calculate the probability of normal distribution. Here I just give you an idea about that. That is that is z is equal to natural log of x minus mu over sigma. So this is the formula which will be used to calculate the z score. So natural log of x 8 minus 1 by 3 by 2 over 1, which I'll calculate the value of 1 minus 1.12. So it can be obtained by through table. That is the value of 1.12. Yes, this is the value minus table A3 and table A3, and this is the value. This is the value 0.1314. We just putting here the value, we can conclude this value and putting this value in this formula to calculate the greater probability. So denote the cumulative standard number, that is the basically, yes, this is the lesser than, this is a basic calculation of lesser part of the probability. So exceed, it means that we just putting here to calculate the probability by minus, it means around 8 6 to 8696, around this type of probability you have to calculate by this formula. So thank you students. So this is the end of the additional lectures about the continuous probability distribution. This is the basically additional lecture which give you some more concept about continuous probability distribution, and which is helpful to further strengthen your theoretical knowledge about continuous probability distribution. So thank you, student. Thank you so much.